I'm Carol Fernandez from Mumbai. I'm with my husband here, Godfrey Fernandez, and entire team. People who have visited Velankadi are here to experience Saint James' presence, his miracles, Jesus working through him to get his presence felt. Even we felt the presence of his sense, when it is done, especially during the holy adoration. We can feel it in the air over here and his presence. Velankadi, but it was worth miracles what we experience here. Each and every one, I would really want to come and experience the presence, feel the presence of the Lord through Saint James, so that we can have a lot of miracles in our life and our neighbors, and we can still put this message to the entire community of not only Catholics but all those people in need, so that everyone can benefit from it and know God more closely. Also, the miraculous statue even inside Our Lady's, really, it's human-like feature. You will really feel her presence too. And once you leave from here, first of all, you don't feel like leaving from here, because the Saint James keeps smiling and getting us back here. So you don't feel like to go. We are, from 8 o'clock we are ready to go, and Saint James is not allowing us to go from here. And we too are not feeling like to go, but we are taking Saint James with us in our heart and with us, so that we can spread his news and get more people to him. I request, and a humble request to everyone, to come and experience the presence of Saint James, of the presence of Lord, our Lord Jesus, his message to us, our family and our society. Last night experience was, everybody was overwhelmed that there would be some miracles, and we were also waiting for some miracle to happen. We wanted to see what is the miracle, because we never seen miracles in our life. We only heard in Bibles and stories through priests and nuns and lay people. But in real life, we experienced yesterday night, around about 12:30, 1 o'clock, we experienced his presence through his eyes, which turned into a human-like eyeball. And it really amazed me, at least, because I don't believe in things so easily, but I really felt it yesterday. His presence, his warmth. I felt the dove coming down. I felt the presence of angels all around. And especially night, what we felt is a different thing, but during the day, it was right 8:30, 9 o'clock here, and Saint James is smiling and his teeth are visible. His smiling face is visible to us. So this was a really privileged experience for me and my husband and entire people who were with us. It was really a touching experience that felt like Lord has touched us. Do please, once again, a humble request to come and visit Dindigul St. James Shrine at Maralpatti.